Are your Google Calendly ads ringing the right bells? Let's dive into setting up Google Tag Manager to meticulously track those valuable phone calls generated directly from your ads, giving you a clear picture of your campaign's effectiveness. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account and select the container you'll be using. Next, click on Tags on the left side menu and then select New to begin creating a new tag. Click on Tag Configuration and choose Custom HTML as the tag type. Now, time to set up the coding. In the Custom HTML section, you'll paste the tracking code provided by your call tracking vendor. This code is the secret ingredient, enabling the capture of important information about phone calls, like the phone number called or call duration. After pasting the code, ensure there are no errors. Now, it's time to create a trigger. Click on Triggering within the tag configuration to set the conditions that will activate the tag. In the trigger configuration screen, pick all pages as the trigger type, since you want to track calls across your whole site. Save both the tag and the trigger, then click Preview and navigate to your website to verify it is working as expected. If there are no errors or issues, you can submit your changes and start monitoring the phone calls. Excellent! You can view the collected data in your Google Ads reporting, allowing you to analyze the number of calls, identify the keywords and ads driving them, and calculate the return on investment of your Calendly campaigns. Enjoy the new information.